Hey everybody, it's Rory from A&S Gear. We're outside with the brand new LV2. Gonna do some sound signature testing right now. So we've got an LV2 on the rack as well as an LV 1.6 and then a TM40. Obviously we have the LV2 out here with the LV 1.6 so you can see the difference between those two guns. And then we got a TM40 because again, another high-end gun from a different company that you might be thinking about purchasing. So these guns are right out of the box. We haven't changed anything. We've put them into a ramping mode so we can shoot them quicker as well as semi-auto. They all have their stock barrels on them and they're all shooting the same velocity or roughly the same velocity. So we'll go ahead and shoot this one. We'll do some semi-auto, 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 and then we'll go back and we'll do some bursts and things like that. So here we go. LV2. 1.6. And then TM40. LV2, 1.6, TM40, definitely a difference between the LV2 and the LV 1.6. Very noticeable in the sound right there. And then the Lux obviously sounds like a Lux right there. That's super smooth and quiet. That's the brand new LV2 shooting against the LV 1.6 and the TM40 at ansgear.com.